I found this beautiful tulle skirt at Free People. It was a bit short on me. I wanted to lengthen it to my ankles. The top here you can see has a beautiful cutout in the fabric. Beautiful embroidery here. We'll use 4 layers of this soft tulle in the skirt. What I did is I took the layers underneath the top 2 layers, pretty thin, and I backed it here. Bought this lace fabric that was already pretty much pre-made and ready to go to add as a ruffle to the bottom of any skirt. For the bottom layer of the tulle skirt, I bought this beautiful see-through lace, very light, airy, cut each piece by hand 3 inches wide, hand sewn each piece on to the layer here of the tulle with this on top. It made it really flowy and beautiful. Free People has some beautiful tulle skirts and full body tulle dresses. I have some photos in the video that you can look through. This one that I got is neutral. Some of the Free People skirts are bright colors and just a lot of fun tone. You can truly take any piece in your closet and make it your own. Add your own style, your creativity. Go to the fabric store, have fun, layer different fabrics together, stay in the tones that all flow together nicely, or color block. This is the current Free People skirt I'm working on. I found this beautiful, colorful fabric that went with the fabric that Free People had already had on the skirt. So this was not here. I just added this in. I'm not quite finished with it yet, but I'm having a lot of fun with this piece. As an artist, I really love mixing different prints together. And as a graphic artist, I use this in my graphic design as well. And in the fabrics here, I just love finding fabrics that can go together like these two do. The colors all flow nicely. Looks like my sweet buddy here is always ready and done. Okay, we're all done, Zoe. Ready to go out. So-so.